Samsung keeps pushing smartphone technology forward with devices built for entertainment, photography, gaming, productivity, and everyday convenience. From stylish foldable designs to powerful flagship performance, there is something here for every kind of user. In this countdown, we are exploring 5 impressive Samsung phones that stand out for their features, value, and real-world experience. Stay until the end because the top pick truly feels next generation. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A37. The Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is designed for people who want a modern smartphone experience without spending flagship-level money. The moment you turn it on, the large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display becomes the center of attention. Colors appear rich and vibrant, videos look sharp, and scrolling feels smooth and comfortable. Whether you are watching content late at night or using the phone outdoors during the day, the screen stays bright and easy to see. Battery life is another area where this phone performs extremely well. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A37 5G easily handles a full day of social media, streaming, gaming, and messaging. When the battery finally runs low, fast charging helps you quickly get back to using your phone without waiting too long near a charger. Photography is also one of its strongest features. The triple camera system led by a 50-megapixel main sensor captures detailed and colorful photos in daylight, while low-light performance remains surprisingly impressive for this category. Night shots appear cleaner and brighter without needing extra editing. The selfie camera also delivers natural-looking skin tones, making video calls and selfies look polished and sharp. Performance stays reliable thanks to the Exynos 1480 processor. Apps launch quickly, multitasking feels smooth, and casual gaming runs comfortably without frustrating lag. Samsung also adds durability with IP68 water and dust resistance along with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, giving extra confidence during daily use. Add long-term software support, useful AI features like Circle to Search, and smart photo editing tools, and the Galaxy A37 5G becomes a balanced smartphone that offers premium style and dependable performance at a practical price. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A56. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G focuses on balance, offering a polished experience that feels reliable in almost every situation. Right away, the design gives off a premium impression with its clean finish and sturdy metal frame. It feels comfortable in the hand while still maintaining durability with IP67 water and dust resistance for added peace of mind during daily use. Its 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display running at 120 Hz is one of the highlights. Scrolling through apps feels smooth, games respond quickly, and videos appear bright and colorful with deep contrast. Even under strong sunlight, the display remains visible thanks to Samsung's brightness enhancements. Inside, the Exynos 1580 processor paired with 12 GB of RAM delivers strong everyday performance. Apps open quickly, multitasking remains fluid, and heavier applications run comfortably without major slowdowns. Samsung also includes an improved cooling system, helping the phone maintain stable performance during longer gaming or streaming sessions. Storage is another strong advantage. With 256 GB built in, there is plenty of room for videos, photos, apps, and files without constantly worrying about deleting content. The camera system is built for simplicity and convenience. The 50-megapixel main camera captures detailed and vibrant photos, while Samsung's image processing automatically improves colors, lighting, and overall clarity. Selfies from the 12-megapixel front camera also look natural and clean. The 5000 mAh battery easily supports all-day use, even with heavy multitasking and media consumption. Fast charging support helps reduce downtime and keeps the phone ready throughout busy days. Running Android 15 with One UI 7, the software feels modern, organized, and feature-rich. Samsung also promises years of updates, which makes this device feel more future-ready. Overall, the Galaxy A56 5G succeeds by combining a smooth display, dependable cameras, strong battery life, and reliable performance into one complete package. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE brings something completely different to the smartphone world. The compact foldable design instantly stands out because it feels stylish, portable, and fun to use every single day. Folded closed, it easily slips into your pocket or a small bag without taking up much space. Open it up, and suddenly you have a full-size smartphone experience ready for entertainment, work, or social media. One of the most interesting parts of this phone is Flex mode. You can place the phone on a table, partially fold it, and instantly create hands-free video calls, selfies, or content recording without needing a tripod. It feels practical and surprisingly useful once you start using it regularly. The 50-megapixel camera captures detailed and colorful photos with natural skin tones and balanced lighting. Selfies become more creative because you can use the rear cameras while previewing yourself on the outer Flex window display. The results look sharper and more polished compared to many standard front cameras. That Flex window also adds convenience throughout the day. Without fully opening the phone, you can check notifications, control music, view weather updates, and respond to quick tasks. It saves time and makes the phone feel smarter and more interactive. Performance remains smooth during multitasking, app switching, video streaming, and casual gaming. The phone handles everyday activities comfortably without feeling slow or overloaded. Battery life is also improved enough to support a full routine of messaging, streaming, and photography without constant charging stress. Samsung further improves the experience through ecosystem integration with devices like Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Ring, creating a connected experience for entertainment and wellness tracking. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is not only about technology. It is about personality and portability. It combines style, convenience, and flexibility into a smartphone that feels refreshing compared to traditional designs. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE feels like a premium smartphone designed for users who want flagship-level features in a more approachable package. The large 6.7-inch display immediately creates an immersive experience whether you are gaming, streaming movies, browsing social media, or simply replying to messages. The screen looks bright, colorful, and smooth while the slim lightweight design keeps the phone comfortable to carry throughout the day. Photography is one of the major strengths here. The 12-megapixel selfie camera powered by Samsung's Pro Visual Engine captures balanced and natural-looking images in both daylight and low-light conditions. Photos appear detailed without looking overly processed. Samsung also adds advanced AI editing tools that allow you to remove distractions, reposition objects, or clean up backgrounds directly inside your gallery. The editing feels fast, smart, and beginner-friendly. Powering the experience is a 4,900 mAh battery that comfortably handles long gaming sessions, video streaming, photography, and multitasking. Fast charging support helps minimize waiting time when you need extra power quickly. Performance is another highlight. The upgraded chipset combined with enhanced cooling keeps the phone responsive even during demanding tasks. Apps open instantly, multitasking stays fluid, and gaming remains smooth without major overheating issues. Durability also plays a big role in making this phone feel premium. The Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection help guard against scratches and accidental drops, making the phone feel strong and dependable for everyday use. One of the most futuristic additions is Galaxy AI integration. Features like Google Gemini Live allow the phone to recognize objects through the camera and provide real-time information and assistance. It feels more like a smart companion than just a smartphone. The Galaxy S25 FE successfully combines premium design, AI-powered features, strong cameras, reliable performance, and excellent battery life into a device that feels ready for modern everyday life. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus takes the top spot because it feels like the complete package. From performance to AI features and everyday convenience, This phone pushes the smartphone experience into a more intelligent and connected future. Everything about it feels polished, fast, and thoughtfully designed. At the center of the experience is Samsung's advanced processor, built to handle heavy multitasking, gaming, editing, and demanding apps with ease. The phone remains smooth and responsive even during intensive use, making it ideal for users who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. The standout feature is Galaxy AI. This transforms how you interact with photos, productivity tools, and even communication. Editing images becomes incredibly simple because you can remove objects, change styles, or enhance photos almost instantly. Instead of spending time manually adjusting details, the phone intelligently handles much of the work for you. The display is another major strength. It delivers vivid colors, sharp detail, and immersive brightness that makes movies, games, and social media content look stunning. The wider front camera also improves selfies and group shots, allowing everyone to fit naturally into the frame without awkward positioning. Samsung also focuses heavily on productivity and convenience. Galaxy AI helps organize notifications, suggest useful actions, and streamline tasks so the phone feels more personal and efficient. Samsung Wallet further simplifies daily life by storing payment cards, boarding passes, and memberships securely in one place. Entertainment gets an upgrade as well. Paired with Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, the phone delivers immersive high-resolution audio and even real-time language translation through the earbuds, creating a futuristic communication experience. What truly makes the Galaxy S26 Plus stand out is how naturally all these features fit together. It never feels overly complicated or overwhelming. Instead, it quietly improves your daily routine through smarter tools, faster performance, and a premium user experience. That balance of intelligence, power, creativity, and practicality makes the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus the clear winner on this list. Those were the 5 best Samsung phones that truly stand out this year for performance, innovation, design, and overall user experience. From affordable everyday devices to futuristic flagship technology, Samsung continues to deliver impressive options for every type of user. Let us know in the comments which phone would be your personal number 1 choice, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.